Breaking. Ahiazu Mbaise PDP State House of Assembly primary election rerun ends in fiasco.
Chinedu Anyanwu.
Anselm Obasi. 1, 2. Chibuike Maduike. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Next, Okoro. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
By the grace of God, the Publicity Secretary, Imo PDP. What has happened today is a tie. There's a tie between, two of the candidates, and that makes the election inconclusive, so to say. And I think the electoral panel, when interviewed, said they were going to communicate with the party secretariat to find out the final decision on the election. So for today, I think we are done. Until they get the final directive from Abuja, we may likely come back here on Tuesday. In fact, the decision is that we will come back here on Tuesday if the Abuja, or secretariat directs on the latest instruction or whatever.
For the patience so far in making sure that we get justice and that we find ourselves preparing for a better Nigeria. As I earlier said, before we give ourselves accolade, every delegate here and party man and woman here have been appraising our performances here.
Yes.
We have also been patient enough to make sure that the interests of the party become supreme. I wish to draw your attention that we are coming to the end of the day, at the end of the assignment. As I earlier said, we have been finding ways to make sure that we untie the two candidates so that the party can move forward. If you agree with me, when we conducted Orlu, Orsu, State Constituency, State House of Assembly constituency.
Sir, excuse me, may we know who you are?
My name is Chinedu Anyanwu.
What's your position
the secretary
in
to the committee? The secretary.
You are the secretary to the committee.
Yes.
Where is the chairman of the committee?
Who are you, please?
I'm the aspirant. I'm an aspirant from Ahiazu.
Okay.
Yes. Where is the chairman of the committee? The chairman of the committee can be here, and the secretary will be saying all this. The chairman should come and make this pronunciation. Don't say that. No. Don't say. What do you mean? No, what do you mean? Sir, they want to announce, yes, they want to announce first the winner of this election. And it's not going to be possible. No. Election was conducted. Excuse me, sir. He is the chairman. He is the chairman. Why you only you get here? I don't know person here. Are you putting me? No. Are you putting me? No. No. We are from Ahiazu. Allow industries to prevail. Yes. We are from Ahiazu. Senior Staff Association. No, don't take me out. No, I will die. I will not attend here. Stop! My right to be taken away from me. One day, see, yeah, younger brother. I will not take this. I will step out. I will not take this. The decision of the committee is this supposed to be called? I'm not listening. I'm not listening. No, I'm not listening. I'm not listening. No. You prefer to beat me. You prefer to get me.
It was wrongly spelled. The committee sat and resolved and declared Res Okoro who has 15 votes.
Of the party, I also appreciate them for giving this platform for me to prove myself again. There are the people who really want me.
Okay. Lastly, what is your message to your opponents?
I would beg them to please, let's come together and face the general election. It is obvious that the delegates, the people want me. Let's talk close ranks and move forward. Thank you.
Thank you.
You see all of assembly that they made injustice for me. That's not 15, and then 15. Why declaring a winner? And so what about it? They should give me my justice. I want election. Why declaring a winner? Then I will not. Whatever I've lost, let it be. I've been spending to deprive me of my winner. I want the post election.
Ọchịchị Nigeria mekwere ọkọdị mma o. Ọchịchị obodo